What is good, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we had the world's loudest Audi R8, and tonight we're going to be doing a nighttime POV drive. So make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe on the video because this video is about to be absolutely insane. As you can see, we had the bust down watch on the wrist, looking so icy. And make sure you guys go follow my Instagram, my TikTok, all that good stuff at Cali the Kid. And make sure you go shop my brand. First link in the description, GroundLocker.com. So yeah, let's go. Without further ado, let's go. As you can see, carbon lip, carbon hood. As you can see, boom. And then we have the carbon wing right here with the carbon diffusers, nice big exhaust tips. And as you can see, here's your twin turbo V8. No, is that right? I don't naturally ask. I don't. The V8. I mean, wait, no. The V10. My bad. V10. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, guys, please don't kill me, bro. The V10. My bad. I'm sorry. Okay. Anyways, let's go ahead and get this POV drive started. This is the world's loudest R8. I'm telling you guys for a fact, this car is so loud. Hold on, let's turn that copyright music off. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! That sounds good, fool. Oh my gosh, bro. Sounds very good, bro. So good, bro. All right, hold on. Let me put my seatbelt on. Safety first. Let's go and click it or get a ticket. Boom. Let's go, boys. But first, let me show you guys my clothing brand so that way you guys know like where to shop if you want to go shop my brand. Hold on, let me find it real quick. And as you can see, here it is right here. This is my website. I'm not sure if it's gonna pick up on the camera, but as you can see, my website is called GroundLocker.com. We have hoodies, chains, all that good stuff. Boom. So if you want to go shop, go shop. And then also if you want to go follow my Instagram, which is Cali the Kid, as you can see, 388,000 followers. So make sure you guys go leave a follow on that. As you can see, I just posted a video right there. So I'm gonna remove that right there. Boom. Look at that. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and go. Let's go. Ooh. All right, we have to take this at an angle so that way we don't scrape. Hold on. Yeah, are we good? Oh, we Gucci. All right, let's go. Hey, W song. So for right now, I'm gonna be keeping it very chill because I don't want to like be obnoxiously popping on the streets just because there has been a lot of cops out as of recently. So, but once we get on the highway, I'll just let it I'll let it rip. All right, let's go. We're gonna go ahead and throw this car in dynamic mode. So if you don't know what dynamic mode means, it's basically like the sport mode essentially. You can already hear the burbles. It sounds crazy. The burbles on this car are absolutely insane. You guys are not ready for it. I'm telling you guys, you are not ready for it. Wait like one more minute. Once I hop on this highway, I'm gonna show you guys how loud these burbles get. Actually, there's a tunnel coming up, actually. Watch this. I'm just scared we're gonna burble and the cop's gonna be like right there. Because cops do not like this car at all. Listen, that's nothing. That's nothing. That's nothing at all. Something. Hold on, we're about to get on the highway. Give it a second. Oh my gosh, what is this road made out of? Cobblestone? This car handles amazing, bro. Takes the corners like a champ. Super lightweight, handles really good. And it's rear wheel drive too. Come on. Come on. The R8 wants to go. The R8 trying to go. Oh my gosh. that's not a cop, bro. Holy. Yeah, we're good, we're good. This is a Challenger. That could have been bad. Well, let's let bro pass. Yeah, we're good. Go away, bro. No, I thought that was a cop, bro. Get away from me. Oh, heck no. Thought that was a cop, bro. I was like, oh, we're cooked, bro. These pops are way too loud. Why is the Uber driver cutting up? What the heck? What is going on right now? Ready? Wait for the bridge. That sounds absolutely insane. You guys let me know, how does this car sound on a scale of 1 through 10? How crazy does this car sound? Me personally, I'm gonna rate it a 10 out of 10, guys. This car sounds absolutely crazy, bro. You can hear it from like 10 miles away, bro. The tune, I call it the log bar tune because it sounds boom, 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 boom. It sounds crazy. Right now, I'm currently headed to the gym because I'm gonna go hit a nighttime workout, and we're just gonna rip the R right there. So I'm just bringing you guys along for the journey. Hold on. Guys, all right, boys, as you can see, we're currently in the famous GTA 5 tunnel. I just have to come show you guys this quick little pit stop real quick. Bro, what are they doing right here? What is this? The heck? Are they showing like a music video or something? Yeah, I think so. Jeez, bro, what is this road made out of? Like cobblestone? That's, bro, what is this? What in the world? Jeez, bro, it's just like all these roads in LA suck boo-boo, bro. They're all trash. Boo-boo. No bueno. No quemaca. Hey, no quema, fool. No mames, way, fool. No quemaca. All right, green light, let's go. Turn the Escalade, bro. Go, 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 go. Ew, it smells like poop. Don't pull out in front of me. Why does it smell like that? It smells disgusting. Jeez, dude. All right, boys, I have to go home and I have to go take a poo-poo. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe on this video. Go follow all of my accounts, Cali the Kid, and go shop my brand, which is growlocker.com. First link in bio also. Go follow my Kick. I try to stream every day or every other day. Love you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!